Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change PCV valve on 2010 Honda Odyssey. First we need to take cover off. The PCV valve on 2010 Honda Odyssey is located under this cable rail, so you can see it easily from this way. You can release this piece from here, the cable rail. After then you can reach the bolt easily, so just 10mm bolts, just lose it. You can remove it with your hand. This is the bolt. Just try to turn left and right to lose it. After then pull it. It came easily. So I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. And shake it. If you are not hearing anything from it, it's bad. So you should change it. This is the original part from Honda. You can buy it from Amazon, 20-25 bucks. It's not expensive part, and it's gonna help your engine to not burn oil. It should make little noise like that. So now we can install this. Don't forget to put this small piece here. And put the bolt back in. Just tighten it with your hand. And then tighten it a little bit, but do not over tight. Just put this cable rail back. After then you all done. Alright everyone, we just replaced the PCV valve on 2010 Honda Odyssey, so it's inexpensive part to change it. If you see your car is burning oil, so you should check first your PCV valve. If you don't see any leaks on the engine, so this should be cause of your engine's burning oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.